Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night with sharp leg cramps that stop you in your tracks? Or maybe you've noticed your legs feeling stiff and sore, making it harder to move around freely. The good news is that the foods you eat can make a big difference. With the right nutrients, your muscles can relax, circulation can improve, and painful cramps can be reduced before they even start. In today's video, we're going to look at the top 3 foods that seniors can eat to prevent leg cramps, keep muscles stronger, and improve mobility. These aren't fancy superfoods that are hard to find. They're simple, everyday foods that you can easily add to your diet starting today. Stick with me until the end, because these nutrition tips could truly change how your muscles feel and function. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Drop a comment below and share your location. And if you have questions along the way, feel free to ask them in the comments as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the Health channel and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our health-boosting tips designed to help you feel your best. Food number 1, eggs. When it comes to muscle health, eggs are one of the most powerful foods you can eat. They're loaded with high-quality protein, important vitamins, and minerals that directly support muscle repair and nerve health. But how exactly do eggs help older adults prevent leg cramps? Let's break it down step by step. One of the main causes of cramps is muscle fatigue. Seniors often experience muscle loss with age, a condition known as sarcopenia. This loss makes muscles weaker and more prone to cramps. Eggs are what nutritionists call a complete protein. That means they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. Just one large egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. This protein helps rebuild damaged muscle fibers, supports recovery, and improves muscle contraction. When muscles contract more efficiently, the chance of cramping goes down. Adding eggs to your weekly routine can therefore improve strength, endurance, and lower the frequency of painful spasms. Now, let's talk about vitamin D. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can feel weak, painful, and more prone to cramping. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for muscle contraction. Research shows that seniors who are low in vitamin D tend to have more frequent and more severe cramps. Egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle health. But here's the catch. While one egg gives you around 40 IU of vitamin D, older adults need about 800 to 1000 IU daily. That means eggs alone won't fully cover your needs. Pairing eggs with other vitamin D-rich foods like fortified milk, yogurt, salmon, or sardines can give your body the boost it requires. And of course, spending some time in the sun helps your body make natural vitamin D as well. Another nutrient in eggs that's key for seniors is vitamin B12. B12 plays an essential role in nerve function. If your B12 levels are too low, your nerves don't send signals properly to your muscles. This can lead to cramps, tingling, or even numbness. Eggs provide B12 along with choline, which supports the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves. Together, these nutrients keep communication smooth between your brain, nerves, and muscles. Why is this especially important for older adults? As we age, our stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb vitamin B12 from food. Medications such as metformin or acid reflux drugs can also reduce B12 absorption. A lack of B12 can cause cramps, nerve pain, and even anemia. Eggs offer an easy, digestible source of B12, especially for seniors who may eat less meat. So, how many eggs should you eat per week? Studies now show that 6 to 7 eggs weekly are safe for most healthy seniors and don't raise cholesterol for the majority of people. If you do have heart conditions, check with your doctor, but know that replacing processed meats with eggs can actually be a heart-healthy swap. For those concerned about cholesterol, egg whites are an excellent alternative. For seniors dealing with nocturnal leg cramps, the painful ones that wake you up at night, eating eggs as part of dinner or breakfast may help. They provide protein for muscle repair, vitamin D for calcium absorption, and B12 for nerve support. Together, these nutrients aid recovery and reduce the risk of nighttime spasms. To get the most out of eggs, aim for 6 to 7 eggs per week. Pair them with vegetables, dairy, or whole grains for balanced nutrition. Stay hydrated and maintain good electrolyte balance. For most older adults, eggs are a simple, affordable, and effective way to support muscle and nerve health, while also reducing the frequency of painful cramps. Food number 2, bananas. Bananas are one of the best-known foods for preventing cramps, and for good reason. They're packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which play key roles in keeping muscles relaxed and functioning properly. A medium banana provides about 420 milligrams of potassium, which is about 12% of the daily recommended intake. Potassium is crucial for muscle contractions, nerve signals, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition called hypokalemia, muscles become irritable and prone to cramps. Potassium keeps electrical signals between nerves and muscles running smoothly. Without it, muscles can contract involuntarily, leading to painful spasms. Seniors are at higher risk for potassium deficiency because of poor appetite, medications like diuretics, or dehydration from not drinking enough fluids. That's where bananas can help restore balance naturally. Bananas also provide magnesium, about 32 milligrams per banana. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contracting and prevents them from becoming overly excitable. It also supports ATP production, which is the body's energy currency for muscle movement. Since many seniors don't get enough magnesium, eating bananas regularly can reduce stiffness and cramping. Leg cramps at night, also known as nocturnal cramps, are often caused by low potassium, low magnesium, dehydration, or poor circulation. Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed can provide potassium and magnesium to relax muscles, balance electrolytes, and even promote better sleep by reducing muscle tension. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which supports nerve function and helps muscles recover after physical activity. Each banana provides about 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, which is close to 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Research shows that low B6 intake is linked to more frequent cramping, nerve issues, and muscle fatigue. For hydration, bananas work even better when paired with water or coconut water. Since cramps often happen from dehydration, it's important to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water per day along with potassium-rich foods like bananas. So, how many bananas should you eat? Generally, 1 banana per day is enough for most seniors. If cramps are frequent, 2 bananas daily can help, but those with diabetes should eat them in moderation and pair them with fiber-rich foods to prevent blood sugar spikes. Bananas are simple, portable, and one of the easiest natural ways to prevent cramps and keep your muscles healthy. Food number 3, nuts and seeds. While bananas and leafy greens are often talked about for cramps, nuts and seeds are another fantastic option that often gets overlooked. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all of which help muscles relax, improve blood flow, and restore electrolyte balance. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, which is one of the top causes of frequent cramping. Nuts and seeds are among the best natural magnesium sources. Here's what you get in just 1 ounce, 28 grams. Pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams magnesium, 40% of daily needs. Almonds, 77 milligrams, 20% of daily needs. Cashews, 74 milligrams, 19% of daily needs. These amounts make it clear why a small handful of nuts daily can make such a big difference. Potassium is also present in nuts and seeds, with pistachios giving you 290 milligrams per ounce, almonds about 200 milligrams, and cashews 160 milligrams. These minerals are especially important after sweating or exercise, when electrolytes are lost. But it's not just minerals, nuts and seeds also provide healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds reduce inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to muscles, which lowers cramp risk. Do nuts and seeds reduce inflammation? Absolutely. Chronic inflammation damages muscle tissue and makes cramps more frequent. Nuts and seeds are full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that fight oxidative stress, protect muscles, and help recovery. Some of the best nuts and seeds for cramps include pumpkin seeds, highest magnesium content. Almonds, great balance of magnesium and potassium. Pistachios, excellent for potassium. Cashews, good for magnesium and healthy fats. Walnuts and flax seeds, rich in omega-3s. How much should you eat? A good serving is about 1 ounce daily, roughly 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. You can sprinkle chia, flax, or pumpkin seeds on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Eating them before bed may also help prevent nighttime cramps by keeping muscles relaxed. Some tips: choose unsalted raw or dry roasted nuts to avoid excess sodium. Watch portions since nuts are calorie dense. If you have digestive issues, eat smaller amounts, as too much fiber at once can cause discomfort. For most seniors, a handful of nuts or seeds daily is an easy, tasty way to keep muscles healthy, prevent cramps, and fight inflammation naturally. Leg cramps can be frustrating, painful, and even disruptive to daily life. But the right foods can make a big difference. By including eggs, bananas, and nuts or seeds regularly, seniors can strengthen muscles, support nerves, and restore the balance of minerals that keep cramps away. To recap, eggs provide protein, vitamin D, and B12 for muscle repair and nerve support. Bananas supply potassium, magnesium, and B6 to balance electrolytes and relax muscles. Nuts and seeds deliver magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats for circulation, inflammation control, and cramp prevention. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps us share this information with more people. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, experiences, or questions. And of course, subscribe to Health 365 and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.